Today we had a breakout of this channel, which I showed you yesterday. And basically what we had done is, it was honestly a really nice price action, because basically what happened is, as you know, we found support at the low of the range, yeah. We went to the middle of the channel, and I always say that the middle of the channel is very, very important. It is a place where you must take your profit, yeah. And that is why, because after we touched the middle of the channel, we went to the downside. We had another very little support to the VWAP, but basically the VWAP was acting as a strong resistance. We lost this channel, retested it once, went up to the upside for another retest. We touched the point of control of this whole range, yeah. And after it, we had a really nice rejection, yeah. So very good price action, very simple, I would say, and yeah, easy to trade. So let's look right now where we could find some support, because that is what is important if we'll go to the downside. And also the resistances, maybe I'll talk about them later, but right now, let's see where we could have support. First of all, what I want to tell to you is that it may be that we have not an uptrending channel, but the sideways channel, yeah. So it could be basically, we, for example, can have this channel, yeah. It's debatable which high to choose, this pivot, or basically this pivot, yeah, or even this pivot. But it doesn't matter for me right now, because I'm looking for the low. And what we had, it could be the case of the deviation to basically fill buy orders, yeah, because we liquidated also people right here, because we basically took these lows where people had their stop losses, yeah. And obviously that is the place where you can fill your buy orders. So that could be just a deviation from this range and get back inside, yeah, and trade again the range. That could be this scenario, but that is not what I'm gonna talk about right now. Let's keep it honestly, and let's look at the price action which we have right here, yeah. So where we can see support coming, yeah. What you have to keep in mind is, I've said this already in my previous videos, that we had a very strong impulse to the upside. And as you can see, we don't really have any market structure building right here, yeah? So we went just to the upside. We didn't have any nice retracements. So what could this mean? Basically, as price went to the upside really fast, price can go to the downside also really fast, yeah. So that is why I am talking about this price action, yeah. But what we have is very, very little market structure building at this area, yeah. As you can see, we have this area. We can mark it already with the fixed range tool, and one of the actually viewers watched my short video, and yeah, he asked a question about this tool. He got the answer, and yeah, I'm really happy to help him, and that he actually saw that this tool is really, really useful, yeah. That is why I am sharing the knowledge with you guys. So very simply, what we have right here is this basically price action where we can see little retracements, yeah. That is what is interesting for me. So very simply, we have a point of control, yeah. So let's keep this in mind right now, and let's zoom out right now. And well, as you can see, I have already prepared this big fixed range tool again, yeah. Very nice tool to use. So what we have right here is this big range point of control, which is at 41,700, and we have another point of control at 41 basically, yeah. So it gives to us a really nice range, yeah, of 2%. Yeah, it is not the smallest one, but obviously the targets would be at least to the low of this range, yeah. If we'll take a long, so that is more than 5%, that is really great in my opinion, yeah. So let's build some confluences, what we have right here. That would be a really nice retracement, yeah. So that would be a 382 retracement. As you can see right here, this line is the 382. So this is definitely a bullish retracement. What price can do is just go to the downside, hit this point of control, maybe hit this point of control, yeah, go to the downside, take some liquidity, and find support and go to the upside, yeah. That would be a really bullish retracement if that would be the low at the 382, yeah. I'm being really honest with you, because 382 is the bullish retracement basically. So that is what I'm looking at. Also, if we go to the daily time frame, what we can see right here is that we had a daily level right here, yeah. Obviously it didn't provide any nice support and resistance, so that is one thing what you have to just think about it, yeah. If it hasn't been basically respected, would you want to look at it? Don't really, yeah. But I think, in my opinion, it is the key level, because we have other confluences basically at this level. These are basically the SR flip. You can see that we had a support right here. We broke it a few times. So basically one could consider that we had a resistance, support. So why can this level again hold as a support? Yeah, because we basically had a support, broke it, and we again broke it. It can act as a support, yeah, very simply. So this is another important thing. And the last thing which I want to show you is honestly the channel. Let me see where it is. Previous range, lower part channel, I guess that is it. Yeah, it is this one. If we zoom out, you can see that on the summer which we had a really nice channel, yeah. Maybe that was a descending triangle, yeah. But you can see that it was respected also right here, yeah. At the start basically of 2021 year, we had a resistance, support. We went to the downside, found support, resistance, support, resistance, broke down, support, yeah. So again, support, really nice level, honestly. So that would be a retest of this lower channel. If we are seeing basically, if we are getting out of this range, we have to see a retest, yeah. We had seen a retest right here. We went to the downside to visit it again, support from the middle of the channel again. That is why it is very important, the middle of the channel. And yeah, we went to the upside. So this is the key level for me right now. As I said previously, from this level, yeah, to $40,000, so about 2% range, yeah. So that is the place where I would look for longs. If, however, we will lose this level, we will not find any support right here, then basically what I will look for is for these highs, because they were acting as a resistance right here. You can see we had a support, broken, resistance, broken. Why it can't act as a support right now? Yeah. So basically these are the two important levels for me. And that's it. See you later. Bye.